Hey everyone, so recently we have released a functionality of item insight. So let me show you what exactly is it and how it will be helpful to you. Now you can check the last 10 buying and selling price in the item details. How you can check it? So first of all, let us go to all modules, then let's go to inventory. After coming in inventory, let's take an example. I am searching for one of my item. I need to go ahead and check the insight option. So this is needle valve. I will open this item. Now, once I will open this item, after clicking on the item name, please check here is the insight option. Once I will click on insight, please check. This is the list of 10 purchase invoice detail. And if I scroll down, this is the list of last 10 sales invoice detail. So you can simply just go ahead and check exactly at what price it have been sold to your buyer or supplier. The rate, it will come in rupees as well as USD or any other currency. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in checking the item inside. Have a good day ahead.